Okay, now I will be just demonstrating what the second try of Machine Problem 2 is looking like. So we have our battle, and so in this one we don't have our we don't have a XML bean file. So for this, and we basically what we did is, to make it easier, we just copied this from the first try and then put here and remove the XML file. But there's still some annotation, but now this is just like the setters and getters for the battleground, the character 1, character 2, and saying that they are both fighting. It's basically the same. It has the interface, the battleground description, the character classes. Yeah, it's basically the same. It has all the setters and getters. Death Star. On Death Star, that's what's printed out. And implementation of the battleground. The interface for that. The force class, the fighting power, which is the force, and it's using the force to strike opponent. And the same for the other fighting power for the other character, which is the lightsaber. Uses lightsaber to strike opponent. And since we don't have a bean XML file, we have this, which is a bean config file. So this is how we get set our character name, for character 1, which is Luke Skywalker, character 2, Darth Vader, and then we have to get the fighting power. So we label it as bean. And then we return it as for battle. And this will make it so it will run and say the characters. So yeah. And then now I have my config IOC app 1, and this is using the annotation config application, and it just uses the mp2 at the class to get the information and run it. Scan the information from this for the character, everything. So now if we run it, as you can see, it will run, and it's IOC app 1 configuration. So yeah, it runs just like the first try, and runs and it has all the information. So yeah, that's basically it.